Hey there, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty on location at my newest listing here at 17829 Brown Avenue Extension near the historic Brown Avenue area of Belton, South Carolina. This all-brick home has over 2,400 square feet, sits on 2.5 acres, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. There's a living room as well as a huge great room, hardwood flooring, large master suite with a walk-in closet, and an ensuite bathroom that has a garden jetted tub and a separate shower. There's a covered patio in the back as well as a huge deck. There's 1,600 plus square feet of 3-car garage or workshop. Let's go inside and take a closer look. Come on in. Possibilities are endless with this 1,600 plus square foot 3-car garage / workshop. Come on, let's go check it out. Beautiful, isn't it? I hope you enjoyed taking a tour of this beautiful brick ranch home. If you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in the area, give me a call. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-525-0201, or visit our website at www.producerrealty.com. Have a fantastic day. See you soon. Bye.